Hi guys, I'm Rowan, aka the Human Voice Box, and I'm here to bring you yet another sound effect. This one is going to be a jaguar, a fierce feline. So if you're shooting a film with a super scary saber cat in, then you're going to need a sound effect to go with it. And it's pretty difficult getting a sound effect from a live jaguar, so I hope you appreciate the effort I went to for this. Hope you find that useful. If you've got another sound effect you'd like to hear, drop it in the comments below and I'll do a video for it. Thanks.